Listen and also watch the two speakers. What do they say? How do they move their bodies?
Small world. How do you know Maria?
So you know Maria is from Colombia.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I stayed in Bogota for 2 years.
Really?
Yes, in fact, I lived right next door to Maria's family.
How interesting. So you've really moved around.
Yeah, I have.
I'll have to email Maria and tell her I met you.
Oh, no, that'd be great.
So when was the last time?
I'm sorry, last time I moved?
Oh no, I mean the last time you saw her.
Oh, I guess about 10 years ago, but we do still keep in touch.
Oh, that's nice.
How can you have a great conversation with someone you just met? First, show your interest in the speaker with non-verbal actions. Nod your head, look at the speaker, be open in your posture. That means you could lean a bit forward or tilt your head. All of these actions show you are listening. Show your interest and understanding with rejoinders. A rejoinder is a quick reply, usually 1 or 2 words that you say as someone is speaking. Uh-huh, oh, really? Great, good. That's interesting, surprising, great, too bad, etc. California? Uh-huh. You can also sometimes repeat a key word. This is called echoing. Of course, you can also ask questions. Information questions are best. So how do you know her? And how do you like Seattle? Oh, when was the last time? What happened? If you don't understand the speaker, you can show that with nonverbal signals. A puzzled expression, a head tilt. You can also say things to clarify or get the speaker to explain. Sorry? I'm sorry. You said? You mean? Could you say that again?